Hey everybody, we got a mystery blind bag for you. You can get Mr. Omega, the robot, Wacko, Radio, Shrub, Fig from the Conversation, and the Racing Frog. This comes with a little bonus thing. Remember Jeremy got the arcade guy, which is the mystery one? I would kind of like the radio one or Mr. Omega. So let's see what I get in the pin one. Let's see who we get. Okay, we got Fig from Convergence Station. And he comes with a little mushroom. That's pretty neat. I'll balance my best. Alright. Well, until next time. It kind of makes me think of Nora from Ruby. Bet you go ballistic if Ren gave her this. Alright, later days.